Hey guys, Mashed Potato here, and today we are unboxing a Hungryroot food crate. Hungryroot is a food delivery service that delivers vegan food right to your doorstep. And if you don't know what vegan food is where there is no animal products inside of the food, such as dairy products and meat. Let's get this unboxing done. Okay, so there is this insulator in here that keeps the food cold. Also, there is an ice pack in here that has water in it, and it also keeps the food cold. This kept it cold the whole way here. So also the first thing we have the vegan food is shaved Brussels. Okay, and next we have this roasted pepper quinoa cup. Oh, next we have braised lemongrass tofu nuggets. Let's reach in. Oh, we have two of these. Sweet barbecue chili jackfruit. Okay, let's get lucky draw. And what are we gonna get? We got fluffy maple chickpea batter. Yay. Next, we have, let's see, eggplant capitona. Okay, I'm gonna reach in again. Hope I get the Italian herb chickpea melody. Ew, that sounds nice. And then we have country carrot lentil mix. Oh, this looks really good. I got coconut curry. Ooh, that sounds good. And I have, it's heavy. What are you gonna get? I have cauliflower rice. And for a fact, we both love cauliflower. I got Hungryroot black bean brownie batter. So that sounds so good. I love brownies. And next in here, this is a little heavy. Oh, what are you gonna get? I got roasted corn edamame salad. This looks really good. I love edamame. I got avocado cream. I love avocado. I really like avocado. Oh, this is a little heavy. Oh, we have two country carrot lentil mix. We'll put that with the batch. I got two ginger tahini yuba noodles. I love noodles. And I got some broccoli rice. I love broccoli. Oh, this is a good one. I got kale beet blend. This sounds nice. And I got a container. I have kale pesto. And that looks like really green. It's just so much green. I got the last thing, and it's another shaved Brussels, so I'll go put this in the pile. Let's see if there's anything else in here. I don't feel anything else. There's also a big ice pack. There's also multiple ice packs on the bottom of the container to keep it cold, as well as the top ice pack. And they are also gel ice packs, so they have like gel in them. And some of them are frozen. If you can feel in here, some of them are frozen. So this was this is the liner to the package right here. And this liner makes the vegan food stay freezing during its trip. So it is like still freezing inside here. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to show you what we can make with some of these ingredients. Okay, I'll take this down and let's show them. So I have this little recipe book that comes with the package. It's really nice, and it tells you how to make the recipes and what are in the recipes. So let's start off. I'll go to a dish that we ordered, and on here it tells us the dishes that we ordered. So let's see. Would you like to do the black bean brownie batter?
That sounds good.
Okay, let's see if I can find it in here. There's lots of them in here. Oh, I found it. Okay, so guys, it's right here on this, and it has all the ingredients in here. So it says most of the things that you really need to make this. It's really super easy, and it's vegan again. Really good. I really like vegan stuff. Do you?
So all these vegan foods are really good. You can make pancakes, salad, rice, noodles,
Anything
batter,
pretty much.
jack mix, lentil mix. You can make tons of stuff with this vegan packet, and it's a good different type of food that you could have.
And also, this says dishes of the month on here. So there are all kinds of dishes, and it says breakfast, lunch, sides, dinner, and sweets. And they're all on here. This is very good dishes. So you can see them right there. And also, there is a link down below of $30 off your first purchase of Hungryroot vegan foods.
And make sure to subscribe and watch our other videos that we make here at Mashed Potato.
Bye!
Bye!